Hi guys, this is a video about spraying for mosquitoes. Uh, Welcome to DIY project. It's the summer out here, and my kids, my wife want to play outdoors, and essentially mosquitoes are a deterrent of that. Warm weather, pool, grass, and bushes attract mosquitoes. So here's my DIY. So these are the tools that I have. Purchased this from Ace Hardware. It's a mosquito beater. It's a natural. It uses natural ingredients, as you can see. It's cedar oil, citronella, sodium lauryl, sulfate, geranium oil, lemongrass oil. It says keep out the reach of children, but it's pretty safe, as I understand it. And it does a pretty good job of treating up to about 5,000 square feet. Can be used where children and pets play. Pleasant smell, unlike some of the products out there. And basically, the instructions are pretty simple. Spray around shrubs, patio, and if try to spray this 6 hours before it rains. So, as you know, spraying for mosquitoes is a big deal. It costs a lot of money, but for me, this cost about $20. And my hose pipe, which I've had for a while, a pair of masks to cover my mouth, goggles to cover my eyes, and $20 mosquito beater. So essentially how this works is I'm going to plug my hose in here, and then I'll turn on the switch to turn it on, and then I'll let water come through my hose, and then I'll start spraying the edges of the house, spray the bushes, spray over my patio, spray in the back, anywhere where there's water, and ensure that all those areas where mosquitoes are likely to hang around are covered. And the good thing about this product is it covers about 5,000 square feet. So if you've got a big yard, more than 5,000 square feet, probably get two of these, but 5,000 square feet, that sounds about the normal size for homes in the US. So here we go. All right, so this is what the end of my hose looks like after I remove this front piece that I use for spraying, for watering my plants. So this is what it looks like. And this is going to go right here. And it's a standard fit, so you don't have to buy anything special. These hoses, if you get them from Home Depot, Lowe's, or Ace Hardware, they're pretty standard. So that's going to go in the inside on that end, and we're going to start spraying. All right, so about ready. Hose pipe is in the container plugged in. I got my goggles, I got my mask, and now I'm going to turn on the faucet. And we'll be set to go, and I'll start spraying on the edges. I'm going to spray on the patio. I'm going to spray my bushes around my pool, and this should pretty much do the job. So pretty simple. It's DIY. Don't really need to hire a professional for this. It's just as good as hiring a professional to come and water your plants, in my opinion. So there you go. Simple as that. So here we go. So here I am spraying, and you can increase your pressure. You can increase the pressure on your spray depending on what you're trying to do. But for me, I started off with like a really low pressure and just spray it like I'm watering my plants. So I go around the edges. You can see my golf bag here is in the way. Go around the pool, and this is and you can increase the pressure based on how far you want to go, but this should pretty much do it. Should pretty much spray enough. All right, so the mosquito beater, I sprayed around the yard, around the pool, and I still got some liquid still in there, so it's pretty efficient. One of the tools that I forgot to mention is this piece that's on the side that helps you control the water going in and out. So right now it's on the off position, but you can, once you have your hose pipe plugged in, turn on the tap, let the water run. The water will not shoot out of this jet unless you turn this knob, so you could move around with this point it in the direction you want it, turn the knob, then the water comes out mixed with mosquito beater liquid. But yeah, took about 20-30 minutes to spray around my house. It's like I said, just like watering your plants. All right, good luck, guys. I will put this in my link where I got it, and I'll update my link with results. So according to this, the results should be instantaneous. So I'll see what happens tonight when my kids are playing, or probably tomorrow. And by the way, the scent is not that bad. My wife says it smells like lemongrass. So there is a scent that comes with it, but it's not disgusting smell by any means, just lemongrass. All right, good luck. Thanks.